Hey, I'm Lacey.
And I'm Laura, and we're surgical coordinators here at Advanced Cosmetic Surgery. And today we're going to talk a little bit more about brachioplasty, also known as arm lift, the cost, the recovery, and all the good stuff that you've been wanting to know.
So a brachioplasty is, it's an arm lift surgery. And basically what it does is, or it could potentially be a combination of a couple of things. So we could do some liposuction if you have a little extra fluff, as I like to call it, or volume, or soft tissue, fat, lots of names for it, but extra volume in the arms. If you want to remove that and then have loose skin, or you've lost weight or done things and you have loose skin and you want that to be tighter, a brachioplasty or arm lift is a great procedure to take care of that. Now, there is always a trade-off when you have surgery. And so we always tell our patients to keep in mind that when you have this surgery, you are going to have a scar or an incision site that is pretty lengthy. For most people, it does go from the armpit down past the elbow. And that is so they're able to get everything nice and tight and kind of reformed or contoured back around your arm so that you do have the best result.
There's also a more niche procedure. Not everyone's a good candidate. It is something that we offer for people who are not quite there needing a full brachioplasty. We offer the mini brachioplasty as well, which is just a little crescent incision right in the underarm that helps to tighten that skin up just a little bit.
So, the cost of brachioplasty or arm lift can vary depending on your needs. So again, we've discussed that you can either have a mini brachioplasty or a full brachioplasty. Those procedures can be done, or the mini can, potentially be done under a little oral sedation and local anesthesia. So you're wide awake for the procedure, but very nice and comfortable. Or the full, you would want to be completely out of it. So we do have an accredited surgical suite on site, and we would administer general anesthesia to have that procedure done. When you get a quote from us for the procedures, whether you have the mini or the full, you will have everything included in that. That's your garments, your supplements, your scar creams, facility fees, anesthesia fees, all of your pre and post-op care. That's all included in your quote. And again, depending on which way we go or what is the best fit for you to get you to your desired outcome, it can be as high as $10,000 or as low as $4,000. We tell people you're realistically somewhere in the middle of that price range, again, depending on your needs and kind of what is, kind of put together to tailor to your needs to get you to that best result.
So we do have a one-time new patient consultation fee of $75. That is not put towards surgery. It's just used to help us get established or get you established with our practice. So that's just a one-time fee of $75. And as Lacey mentioned, in your quote, everything is included. Your surgeon's fee, your OR, your anesthesia, your compression garments, your scar cream, your gel, all your pre and post-op. We do teach you how to do massages afterwards, but that's not something that we offer here at the office. We do work with some really great lymphatic massage therapists if that's something that you choose to do. We do have recommendations for them, but we don't include that in the cost just because it's not protocol for us to use that.
A brachioplasty is not typically covered by insurance. We are not a network provider with any insurance company here, so it's not something that is typically filed, but we do understand that some people want to see if that is something that they can do. Can they file insurance? And I would say in a lot of the things that we offer here, a lot of the procedures, they are considered cosmetic. And so most insurance companies will not cover it. We do offer great financing options though. Care Credit and Alphion, they have interest-free or deferred interest plans with various, repayment times. They also have other repayment plans with kind of fixed interest rates for certain periods of time. Those are all things that we are happy to go over with you once you're here in the office, or we can always send you an email with that information as well, that we do have other options for payment as well. Thank you for watching this video on brachioplasty or arm lift cost. And don't forget to like and subscribe, follow our channel, and so you can see more videos like this and get lots of new information.